Well, the Strathroy Lions Club started back in 1924, June the 5th, and there was 14 members. The club looks after a lot of the needy folks, folks that need a wheelchair, things like that, lifts. We have Good Friday Brunch, Turkey Fest, we had that for a few years. Bingos, we've done so many other types of functions, and the guys have really liked it. And now we're up to 30 members, so we've done fairly well. The renovation, that came up at a meeting one night, and we decided that something had to happen. We decided that we would start with a small project on the back of the existing building, which is about a third of the regular building. First thing we did is got rid of the bathrooms and the kitchen because it was small. And then we started to tear up the flooring and stuff like that, and we ran into all types of problems. One of the biggest problems is there used to be a stage in front of the kitchen, which is now the kitchen, I should say. In front of that was the stage, and the stage ran the width of the building, and it came out about 12 feet. It was a wood structure we do on the top, but when we tore it out, there was a hole there. It took, believe it or not, 3 loads of gravel. Then we moved on, and we got the piece built on the back. We had volunteers coming, digging trenches, leveling the dirt, tearing the old buildings off the back end here. Going from there, we had people come in and donating time, money, equipment. Ellis Don, they did a lot of work inside the building. Trillium come in, and they gave us quite a bit of money, and it turned out very well. They were very happy with what we had done with their dollars. The local businesses started with Gary Faulkner, West Baker, Moffat and Powell. We had Ellis Don. There was everybody in the community and outside the community also helped us. Hardware, restaurants, there's so many people that it's just hard to mention everybody. The biggest changes in the building, naturally, are the kitchen, which has all the equipment in it that people need to rent when they rent the building. We have beautiful bathrooms, and they're large and clean, and they're very nice. And the building itself is a better floor. It's easy to dance on, easy to keep clean. The whole building itself is best for renting. We have ice maker there all the time now, cloak room, beautiful entry. We have weddings and things going on. The renovations started back in 2007, and it was April the 23rd we started, and it took just about a year to get this renovation completed. Every line was involved in this project. And it sure has turned out to be a beautiful building, and things are great.